Bygones are bygones. There is no point in dwelling into or thinking about things of past. Just thinking about why did this happen to us? Thinking about what was our mistake? Thinking about why should we suffer because of someone else's mismanagement or someone else's fault? Thinking about all these things will lead you to nowhere. It has already been 3 days since the notification has come. 3 days you have already thought enough. You've done enough of overthinking. Now, no more overthinking. This will lead you to nowhere. God has gifted you 3 more precious months for preparations. Please make most use of it. Trust me, if you waste 10 more days, you'll be thinking after 10 more days that I've wasted 15 days of these 3 months. Now, will I be able to do anything in the December 2021 attempt? Yes, you can also wait for 1 month, 2 months, and the entire 3 months. Entire 3 months will be lost, and then you'll be feeling guilty that why didn't I at the right time start studying or looking at my next aim. No one in this world can go back to the past and change the past. No one in this world. And certain things are not in our hands. Certain things are impossible. When things are impossible, do your best. Do whatever you are expected to do. Be forward looking rather than backward looking. I agree. You are aggrieved. I agree. You are in deep sorrow. I agree. You are saddened by whatever has happened. And the entire CMF fraternity is. But at the end of the day, we have to reconcile back. We have to get our broken pieces back and look at the future. And the future is December 2021 examination. Sir, how can you make sure or how can you guarantee us that same thing will not get repeated in December 2021 examination? What if same thing repeats in December 2021 examination also? What will happen then? Undoubtedly, it should not happen. Sir, but why? Reason is very clear. Institute of Cost Accountants of India is a statutory body governed by Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Each time exams are postponed or cancelled, a permission is required from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. For once, a reason may be given. It cannot repeat the next time. Yes, the institute will be reprimanded if next time the same thing recurs. So trust me, same thing will not recur in future. This is the first and the last time, and now it's time to reconcile our energies back, to reconcile our broken pieces back, and to focus on the next target, which is December 2021 examination. Otherwise, there is no end to wasting time. There is no end to discussing what has happened with us, what has gone wrong, and mourning for the things which have gone. There is no end to it. Trust me, you will waste your next 1 month or 2 months, and then you'll realize, oh, I wish I could have gathered my energies towards studies rather than discussing all these things on Telegram group or WhatsApp groups or Facebook, etc., etc. I so wish that I won't have wasted my time, wasted my energies in all these things. Because at the end of the day, the thing which is once done is done forever. It cannot be redone. You cannot change the past. Even if you get an answer from the institute that why did this happen, What is the reason behind? What is the unexpected reason which is there behind this entire saga which has happened? Even if you get the answer, what benefit will it be to your career? Can it give you your 6 months back? Answer is no. Can it give you your exams back? Answer is no. It cannot give you anything back. So to my mind, any level of explanation, any level of justification, any level of reasoning cannot undo the harm which has already been done. But yes, thinking about those reasons, asking questions from the institute which will never be answered, thinking about why did it happen to us only? First we lost our year due to corona, then we lost 6 months due to this, that. Thinking about all this thing will definitely harm you. Will definitely harm your next 3 months. So at this juncture, please don't misunderstand me. Please don't say, sir, you always support the institute. At this point in time, I am supporting all of you. I want you to realize that you are just wasting your time. It will do no good to you. I'm just wanting you to realize. Please realize that the 3 months which have been given to you, they are up to you. Of course, no one can say that my preparation was 100% done. Everyone would have some lacking in their preparations. If you have completed your group 1, there has to be some things which you have not done. Improve those things. This is an opportunity for you. Improve those things. Improve those subjects which you were not confident enough for the content of any of the subject. Improve those things. Improve your skills in direct taxation, indirect taxation, costing. Practice once again. And if you think you are good enough prepared for the one group, then guys, start the next group. Start the next group. These 3 months are full of festivals. 2 biggest festivals, Dussehra and Diwali, will take away your 8 days. 8 days gone in 3 months. Chhath Puja, which is scheduled during this period, will again take a major chunk of your time. What are you left with? A few days, handful of days. Now it's your wish. If you want to waste those days also because of someone else's mistake, if you want to waste those crucial 3 months, please do it. Please go ahead. And if not, please don't suffer because of someone else's mistake. We all have faced heartbreaks in our life. We all have faced hard situations in our life. There are 2 options to deal with such situation. Number 1, dwell over it. Moan over it. Cry over it. Ask God, why me? Ask God, what did I do wrong? Ask God that why this always happens to me. Ask God, I gave my 100%. Why didn't someone else give its 100% to me? Why because of that person suffering, I am suffering? Ask God all these things and keep on thinking about these things. Option number 2, move on. Be forward looking. Be futuristic. And trust me guys, if you are not willing to accept my notion, my argument, just for once, ask your parents. I don't think in this world anyone apart from your parents can be your best well-wishers. I do not think so. So just ask them once. Mom, Dad, this is what the institute has done with us. What should we do now? Should we sit on Telegram the entire day? Should we sit on Facebook the entire day? Should we sit on YouTube the entire day waiting for faculties making videos against the institute and listening to those videos and then commenting in favor of how can we defame the institute? Should we involve ourselves in this particular activity, or should we move on? Should we see the next target which is there, which is December 2021 attempt? And please, in the comment box below, whatever answer they give, I want to know their answer, your parents' answer. And trust me, more than your parents, there can be no one who's your well-wisher. So yes, I have seen the day unfold in a very drastic manner. I have seen last 2 days, 3 days. I've seen social media. I've seen all of you. I've had WhatsApp chats with many of you. I've had calls with most of you. I have many interactions with all of you. And after concluding, after thinking over, after analyzing each and every pros and cons, I have made this video. I have come to this conclusion. Now I think we should stop it. Now I think we should focus our energies to those 3 months, those precious 3 months which have been given to us by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. That will be in our favor. Nothing else will be in our favor. So yes, my earnest appeal to all the CMA students. Yes, if you have qualified CMA, if you are a final qualified CMA, you can do whatever you want to do. Yes, you can be on Twitter, be on Telegram, do whatever you want to do. But if you are a CMA student, then guys, now is the time. We have already wasted 2 days or 3 days of our precious time. Now no more. Now no more. This thing doesn't deserve our attention, doesn't deserve our so much of energies. No, we definitely don't want to waste our time when already time has been wasted due to reasons which are not in our control. Now we do not want to waste time for the reasons which are in our control. And now wasting time, the reason is in your control. Earlier the reason was not in your control. Now whatever you're doing, that is your own sweet will. So if you waste time now, it is under your control. So stop that wastage. Guys, just stop that wastage. The Constitution of India, the ministry, the government of India will take good care of whatever is happening currently. It will take good care of everything. So do not worry, please, I request all of you, now do not be aggravated, do not be angry, do not just bash everyone on social media. Just introspect. Is it worth spending your energies on this thing? Do you think you are going to get your 3 months back? Do you think your making hue and cry will benefit you in any way? Answer is no, it won't. So best part is when things are not under your control, when something is impossible, leave it aside and just focus on things which you can take in your hand, which are possible. Take in your hand, you decide. And who knows, out of you only in future we can see some CCMs, some RCMs who can definitely do all this management things in a much better way. You never know. Since you are the sufferers, you'll be the best people to go in our councils, hold big positions in Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and come out as a winner, come out as people who can have great managerial skills, who can do some flawless administration work for Institute of Cost Accountants of India and make all of us proud. Who knows? So yes, now I come on to my study plan, which I've created for you for next 3 months. Guys, my earnest wish, my earnest request to you is, even if you have done 80% of your syllabus in your group 1, then you should start your group 2. Even if you have done 80% of syllabus in group 3, you should start studying for group 4. But sir, how? You are just in air saying complete one group in next 3 months. Is it practically possible? Guys, the passing percentage for examination is 50 marks and not 100 marks. You don't have to get 100 marks. You have to get only 50 marks. And 40 marks in each subject. 50 marks in aggregate. That is the aim. That is the target. So, if we do an ABC analysis of all the subjects of group 2 and we study in a focused manner, we study in a smart way, then there's a high probability that we clear both the groups in December 2021. And yes, the entire syllabus of group 2 can be completed within the next 2.5 months. So, but how can you demonstrate? Yes, for demonstration, I have a chart made with a ABC analysis on it. Now you can see the chart on your computer screen, on your screens. Now this is a subject, corporate accounts and audit, which is there in group 2 of intermediate. All right. What I've done is I've written all the chapters which are there in corporate accounts and audit, and I have given some color coding to them. So guys, according to me, after looking at the scanner, so this trend is taken from the scanner. After looking at the scanner, I am pretty sure that chapter number 4 and chapter number 5 of your corporate accounting, which is accounts of banking, electricity, insurance, and accounting standards, these hold maximum marks. So the first target that you should aim in corporate accounting is to complete these 2 chapters. Then, howsoever time is left, whatever time is left, then you should focus on the less important chapters, which are the 3 chapters which are given above. This is how you can cover almost 80% of your subject, 80% marks of your subject in a very short time period. Do ABC analysis of each of the subject of group 2 and accordingly study. Similarly, I've done an ABC analysis of audit subject as well. Audit concepts, the basic concepts, this carries relatively less marks, and provisions relating to audit under Companies Act is very, very important. Then there's a topic inside it, miscellaneous audit, which is again very, very important. Guys, if you do two topics out of audit, one is companies audit and second is miscellaneous audit, then you are done with audit. Yes, you are done with audit. Then you just have to read the other chapters in a very, very quick manner and you are done with audit. So in a very, very short span of time, you can complete entire company accounts and audit in a very, very short span of time. Next is cost and FM, costing and FM. This is the study plan, and the study plan again reveals 3 color code. Red is A, red color is A, mustard color is B, and yellow color is C. So the chapters which are given in red, if you finish these chapters, then yeah guys, almost 70 to 80% of your syllabus is done only by doing red colored chapters. Just look at this ABC analysis, and this is not my analysis, this is an analysis of past paper trend which I've taken from the scanner. Yes, in a very short span of time you can cover large marks of syllabus, a whole gamut of marks you can attain by covering lesser number of chapters. And yes, you have an option of leaving chapters which are yellow highlighted. C category chapters you can actually leave. Yes, a little bit of risk is always there in professional examination, because sometimes it is seen that the least weightage chapters which have come for very, very minuscule marks in past examinations, from their questions can come even for a more percentage. This happens, but this risk we have to take, guys. No risk, no gain. This risk we have to take. So taking a bit of calculated risk, this is a calculated risk, we can actually come out with flying colors in December 2021. Attempt, learning curve, budgetary control. These are 2 chapters which are B category chapters, so you should do them. Red are the chapters which you must do, and yellow chapters are up to you. If you get time, do them. Otherwise, you can leave them. Okay, this is costing and FM. The next is GST. Yes, indirect taxation. Again, you have 2 parts of indirect taxation, GST and customs. GST holds 80 marks, customs hold 20 marks. Again, red highlighted chapters are the most important chapters. If you can get done with these chapters first, almost 70% of your syllabus is done. Almost 70%. Look at the ratio, guys. Just look at the ratio. And if you get your mustard colored chapters also done, you get through almost 80% of your syllabus. Then it's up to you now. Yellow colored chapters, whether you want to do them thoroughly, whether you want to do them just brushing overview you want to take, whatever you want to take, you are free to do it. Worth giving it a try. Worth giving it a try. Okay, we might fail, but we don't mind failing. What we mind is not trying. We want to try. We want to try our level best. Okay. Last is OMSM. Yes, group 2 subject is OMSM. Again, the red highlighted portion, chapter number 4, 5, 6, 7 are the most important chapters, covers almost 70% of your syllabus, of your marks in the examination. Then mustard colored chapters, if you include those as well, then almost 80% of your syllabus gets covered. And if you do the yellow highlighted in a very short span of time, then you are done with your entire syllabus. So guys, I was just looking at scanners and I was thinking that whether it's practically possible to get second group completed in a short span of time. I talked to my faculties, I talked to my teachers, and all of them were like, yes sir, we can definitely do it. Just have some smart working plan in your mind, just do some smart tricking, just do some time management for next 3 months and you'll be able to do it. Then the next question which I asked my faculties, my team members who are really supportive guys, is that if I ask you to cover this entire syllabus for my students in next 2 months, would you be able to do it? And to my surprise, all of them said a yes. All of them said a yes. So yes guys, we are starting a crash course. Crash course means in a very quick manner, in a super fast manner, but not to just rush the course, just to get it done, but make you understand as well, but a smooth crash course. We are launching it on 5th of October. 5th of October we'll be starting all these 4 chapters in our academy, Bright Vision Academy, which is situated in Lakshmi Nagar. You can join the batch. Starts from 5th of October. It will end on almost first to second week of December, which is 10 to 12th of December. The batch will end, and yes, you'll be getting almost 80 to 90% chapters done in the short span of time, with no compromise in learning, with no compromise in your understanding the concepts, but yes, we'll be maintaining certain level of speed in it. A crash course to make some warriors, to challenge them beyond their territories, to make them winners, and defy what is impossible. So people are saying, sir, it's impossible to do second group in such a short span of time. We'll defy the impossible. My team of faculties and my students will defy the impossible, and I can guarantee you that after 4 months, that is in January or February, I'll be making another video and I'll be discussing and sharing with you names of those students who completed both the groups in these 3 months, and they appeared in both the groups and they qualified CMA Intermediate or CMA Final in December 2021 attempt. So I am not giving you high hopes. No, I am not talking in air. There is a plan, study plan, which me and my faculty members have made, sitting together, thinking about the current situation and thinking about the necessities which are required. And yes, we have come to a conclusion that it is possible to take up the next group and win over it, and be a CMA Inter qualified student or a CMA Final qualified student within the next 3 months. So if you want to join this winning team, if you want to join this victory, please visit Bright Vision Academy. 5th of October the batch is starting, in which group 2 will be dealt with in detail. And if you have any queries, tomorrow, that is 28th of September, Tuesday, morning 11 o'clock, we are having a session, a get together and a counseling session whereby all the faculties will be interacting with you. I'll be present in Bright Vision Academy, Lakshmi Nagar. We'll be interacting with you. We'll be taking up your doubts. We'll be explaining you the concepts of the subjects which are there. Each of the faculty will take up its own part of chapters and concepts, and they will make you understand what is important, what is not important, how are they going to plan their next 2 months, 2.5 months, and how are they going to give you some winning strategy to achieve both the groups in December 2021. So see you all tomorrow, 28th of September, Tuesday, 11 a.m. in the morning at Bright Vision Academy. And 5th of October, we are starting our batches. So from 28th to 5th, if you're not able to attend tomorrow's session, then in the entire day, you can visit Bright Vision Academy. In the entire week, you can visit Bright Vision Academy, and some counselor will be there to assist you. Some faculty member will be there to assist you to solve your doubts and make you a warrior, make you a winner. To take up the flag and do something which is supposedly impossible. We are there to help you. And yes, we are also there to pull you out of the negativity, to pull you out of dismay, to pull you out of distress, to pull you out of sadness. No, no, these are not the territories for you. You are a winner. You are an achiever. You are a warrior. And warriors do not mourn. They do something which is exceptional. They don't sit back because of the setbacks. They fight back. And I want each CMA student to fight back. Not on social media, but through their studies. Through proving that they did not waste 3 months. Through proving that they will not now enter into any unnecessary, any illogical discussions which will lead to nowhere, because past is finished. Current or present is in your hands. So whatever you do today will determine your future. So yes, let's join our hands to have a winning victory, to have a team, an effort that can actually be very, very fruitful to you as well as to us. From the entire team of Bright Vision Academy, I am inviting you with open hands. Come, join us. Yes, efforts will be doubled. Yes, Dussehra, Diwali might not be celebrated, and my teachers will also not celebrate Dussehra, Diwali. I will also be present in the class before Dussehra, Diwali. Let us have a winning conglomeration. Let's have a winning joint venture in which only and only students win. Yes, with that positive note, and hope to see you all tomorrow morning 11 a.m. at Bright Vision Academy, Lakshmi Nagar. Address is given in the description box below. And hope to see you, all of you, on 5th of October 2021 in the live batch in Bright Vision Academy. And those students who are not belonging to Delhi and NCR and who cannot even move to Delhi NCR, for them, we have our pen drive classes. Please take schedule of how to study them from our teachers, and you'll be able to do it at your home itself. So do not worry if you're not able to join the face-to-face class. That's perfectly all right. But our teachers will always be there to guide you. Our teachers will always be there to motivate you, to make you stress-free, and to chase only one target, which is becoming CMA. On that positive note, all the very best and happy studying.